Hello, Mahol Aviv 2026, the Love Bowl. We're going to do a new dance, Roked al Hagagot. It's an instrumental, my choreography and composition. We're going to go on the line, starting with the right, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, go. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Step and hop, 7, 8. Cha-cha, second time, we turn and clap. 3, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, walk and jump, 3 and 4, fourth time, a box step, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we go in, cha-cha right, 7, go, cha-cha-cha, right shoulder in, and out, and in, we turn to the right in, cha-cha-cha, and back, and again, cha-cha-cha, in and out, go around, cha-cha, cha-cha, and then we are going for the last part, we're going to open strong, step, back to 3, step, we go in, cha-cha right, cha-cha left, 2 steps, rock back, and then we do an ale, 6, 7, go, in, turn right, out, turn left, sway, sway, back Yemenite with your right, now left foot, in, turning left, out, turning right, sway, sway, and left Yemenite, then we go back to how we started that part, step, 1, 2, 3, step. We go in, cha-cha, cha-cha, and then we start from the top, right foot, go. Then we do everything exactly the same twice. The end of the dance, after we did everything, we went in and in, out, 2, 3, hey, like that. Hands come up, and that's the whole dance.